Hi, this is Father Matt from St. Pius here in Lombard, and in today's gospel we hear the famous phrase of Jesus to turn the other cheek. Now, on one hand, he's telling us to not retaliate, but on the other hand, he's telling us to not let evil have the last word as well, to stand our ground when someone does violence. The best example is actually later in the gospel when they physically slap Jesus, and Jesus responds not by backing down, not by retaliating, but responding. What wrong have I said? And if I have said anything wrong, please point it out. But if not, then why do you keep slapping me? And so let us also be the same way, to stand firm against injustice without retaliation. And so may God bless you and may God keep you. Thank you again. Until next time.
Holy God, we praise thy name. Lord of all, we bow before thee. All on earth thy scepter clean, all in heaven above adore thee. Infinite thy vast domain, everlasting is thy reign.